Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing rumors and confirmed leaks we heard so much about before the September Apple event. The iPhone 16 will get the same kind of look design as we did last year. Instead of having the cameras here side by side, we'll be having it stacked just like you see here, just having the cameras stacked on top of each other. Same design as we have here today as well. We will have probably, not confirmed yet, but an extra button here for the camera. So when you're taking a photo, I believe it might be on this side of the other buttons. So it'll be right here when you're taking a photo, easy to click like an action button or a shutter button. iPhone 16 might have the same design as we do now, a much larger display for sure. We got a 6.9-inch display on the iPhone 16 Pro models. Same look and feel of design, might be a shinier design, taller body for sure on the iPhone 16 Pro models. They're bringing back the rose gold color as well. It's rumored to come back, but a much shinier coat on the iPhones. When you're out and about, it'll be much more shinier in public. But if you put all that together, I mean, same camera setup, same look and feel, there's not much really going on for the design. A lot of people have been concerned, should I buy the new iPhone 16? Should I not? It looks the same. The only upsell to buying the iPhone 16 is for Apple's AI software integration with Siri and ChatGPT, which Apple did show a lot of new things that they've been working on in their recent keynote, and where Apple showed off their generative emojis and custom image and text generated content. It has confirmed, I believe, in their code, in their future code, that every new iPhone 16 will come with their A18 Bionic chip. It doesn't feel like a new refresh, like I said, but this is not a normal year for iPhone. This is a bunch of new things with AI and other great integrations with AI. This will be the first time ever, I believe, in a long time where Apple is now going to be putting the high-end Pro chip in the base models. Before, Apple just put the Pro chips into the iPhone Pro models and putting the base models with the old chips from last year. With the new AI coming out, Apple wants to have all the new Pro chips in all of the new iPhone 16 models. So Apple is rumored to come out with 4 different models: the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. But there is a rumored 5th iPhone release, which would be the iPhone SE. And that would be a huge surprise and a huge upgrade for a lot of people that wanting just a smaller phone and a base model iPhone without having all the bells and whistles. Hopefully Apple does introduce the A18 chip in the SE models. If this is true for the iPhone SE, Apple will be introducing it with the Type-C as well, and getting rid of any Lightning and completing the lineup for all iPhones to have USB Type-C. There is rumored to be brand new design for the battery, which Apple will actually improve better and take seriously now, because in the past we've had great battery life. It's okay some of the times, depending on how you're using your phone. Apple looks like they're going to redesign the battery since the original in 2007, which Apple explores a different method for making the iPhone batteries more replaceable and designed smaller, maybe, or the same size, but in a metal plate. So a lot of great news for the battery redesign in the metal plate. Due to the redesign and a better battery life, there's a lot of restrictions. There's a lot of things going on right now with the EU. So the battery solution of long-lasting, better performance is great for us users, but Apple has regulations that by 2027 all smartphones have and must be equipped with replaceable batteries. The new iPhones have adopted of a stainless steel battery case not only reduces difficulty of removing the battery to meet the EU regulations, but also allows Apple to increase the battery cell density by 5 to 10% while meeting safety requirements, achieving 2 goals at once. They might be introducing a better Sony camera system sensor inside the phone for the higher end Pro models. This might have a 14-bit analog converter stacked on each other to have better performance and better images. With the new upgrades with the cameras and batteries, we might be seeing an iPhone Ultra model. And it makes sense because Apple does have a Apple Watch Ultra with a bunch of crazy new features, better design as well, very good battery life. So with all that, like, we might be seeing a very high-end iPhone this year. There is rumored to be a bigger, slighter, taller display with a 6.9-inch display and a 6.3-inch display. We'll have the same dynamic island cutout as we see up top here. We won't be getting that cool punch hole that we've seen in other smartphones, not probably till next year. But Apple is rumored to have a new OLED panels from Samsung to improve more better brightness and lifespan. Apple is also rumored to have, for the new iPhone 16 models, to have faster 5G modem and the Wi-Fi 7 and new ultra-wide lenses as well. That's it for some of the rumors and confirmed leaks and other awesome, amazing news. We're 2 months away from Apple releasing the new iPhone 16. Very excited. I can't wait to get my hands on it. Yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you guys are excited for this year's iPhone and what to expect. So thank you guys so much for watching. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet already. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.